Let's see how we can solve this question under Newton's law. It says a ball of mass 0.1 kg approaching a tennis player with a velocity of 10 meters per second square is hit back in the opposite direction with a velocity of 15 meters per second. If the time of impact between the racket and the ball is 0.01, calculate the magnitude of the force with which the ball is hit. Now, if you have a question like that, for us to calculate the force, all I need to do is to remember what impulse. Impulse, which is Ft, is change in velocity, so change in momentum. Impulse is change in momentum, which is the final momentum minus the initial momentum. Now the force in this case is not given, we have to calculate force, but we have the mass. From here first, Ft is m into v minus u. So now we can substitute. If we substitute, mass is 0.1, mass is 0.1, the time is 0.01, so I have 0.01 F equals mass 0.1 into the final velocity, which is given as 15. But remember they said in the opposite direction. So I'm going to put it as minus 15. Then minus the initial velocity, which is 10. So we have this. So what I'm going to have is 0.01 F equal to 0.1 times minus 20.5. And when you multiply that, we get 0.01 F equals minus 2.15. So now we divide both sides by 0.01, and that will give us the magnitude of the force. So we get 2.5 divided by 0.01, and when you divide that, you get the force as minus 250 newtons. Of course, the force is going to be positive, so I'll put it as 250 newtons. But the reason why we are having minus here is for you to know that the ball is going back to the direction with which it is coming from. It's going back to the opposite direction. So whenever you have that opposite, just change the sign to negative. Now that you've learned that, ensure you like, you share, and follow us for more tips.